In these pictures online, I am wondering, how do they put this white frame around your pictures? You really like it, you want to do it, like taking it from like this to like this, like this to like this. So follow me while I teach you on how to do it. So if today is your first time of coming across my video, do it to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to get it. So let's dive right into it. So I'm going to be undoing this one. So we delete this layer. So we'll create another layer here. Command J or Ctrl J on your keyboard. So you come down, you come under here. You can see my tool. Don't know if this is showing very well. So you come under here. You're going to see FS. Sorry, FS. You click on it. You click on it. You come up here. You see stroke. Click on stroke. Then all you see that the automatically comes here, but sometimes maybe because you are not already using this place, you may see it elsewhere. So what you come to this place and click on stroke. Let me turn it off. So you have to click on stroke. You can be selecting another thing, but you have to come here, click on stroke. Then you can now start increasing or decide to reduce it. You can change the color here. You can come to the die wheel and try to pick any color you want to change. But most of the times we see that people use white a lot for this stroke in their pictures. So this is how simple it is, how you can easily do these features in your picture. So you can try to make it faint by reducing the opacity of it. Let's press OK. Reducing the opacity, you can set to increase your opacity. So it is simple like this. So if you have been wondering how do they do this, this is the simple step of it. So subscribe to this channel so whenever I drop videos, be the first to get it. Peace out, guys.